ready to launch your website from the palm of your hand. Let's dive into how you can build a stunning online presence using AI, all on your mobile device. First, download an AI-powered website builder app. Once installed, you'll typically start by providing some information about your business or the purpose of your website. This helps the AI understand your needs and tailor the design accordingly. Next, you'll likely be presented with a selection of design styles. Choose the one that best reflects your brand's identity. The AI will then generate website layouts based on your selected style. Now comes the fun part: customization. You can easily modify the text, replace images, and adjust colors directly on your mobile device. Tap on any element to edit it. The AI might even suggest relevant content or optimized image sizes. Explore the app's features to fine-tune your website. You'll usually find options for changing fonts, adjusting the color scheme, and uploading your own images. Don't be afraid to experiment. Before publishing, preview your website on different devices to ensure it looks great on all screens. Most AI website builders offer this feature. And that's it. With AI, building a website on your mobile device is faster and easier than ever. While you might have fewer advanced customization options compared to desktop builders, the speed and convenience are unmatched. Start building your dream website today using AI mobile website builders.